If you are manually trying to offload an app in your iPhone, and if there is no option, then let us see what to do. For example, I will go to settings here, then I will go to general, iPhone storage. Then if I want to offload YouTube, I will open it, but there is no offload option. So what I will do is, I will go to settings, I will go to screen time. Then there is an option content and privacy restrictions, open it. And I will go to this option iTunes and App Store purchases. Now if you have set passcode for a screen time, you have to use the passcode. I will go to deleting apps and select this option allow. Once I do it, I will again go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. This time if I want to offload YouTube app, I will open it and I will get the option to offload the YouTube app.